In this video, we will be replacing the battery from a Dodge Avenger key fob. This is a very popular key design with various Jeep, Dodge and Chrysler models. So the only tool that is needed for this task is a flathead screwdriver. We will need a regular CR2032 battery. I have included a link below for this battery. The first step is to open the case. Just put the screwdriver in this slot and gently twist it. Now slowly pry open the case. Next, pull the battery out of its slot using the tip of the screwdriver. There is a small plus sign here indicating that the positive side of the battery goes down into the cover. Get a fresh battery and put the battery into the slot. Again, the positive side is down. The last step is to put the two halves back and gently squeeze them in place. Hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.